Today I'm checking out the FanX Drive X3, a tiny device with a pretty interesting idea. Instead of buying an expensive dedicated NAS, it lets you turn a computer you already own into your own private cloud storage. So if you have an older Windows PC sitting around, or even a computer you use every day, the X3 is designed to give you NAS-style features while still allowing you to use that computer normally. And for Mac users, Mac OS support as a NAS host is officially scheduled to arrive in October through a firmware and software update. Unlike services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud, there are no recurring monthly storage fees. Getting started is pretty easy. You connect the FanX Drive X3 to your computer, install the FanX Cloud software, and follow the guided step process. Your computer provides the actual storage and computing performance, while the X3 works together with the FanX Cloud software to add private cloud functionality, remote access, system monitoring, and remote power controls. One important difference compared with a traditional NAS is that you don't have to dedicate the entire computer to being a NAS. You can continue using your computer normally while also accessing it as your private cloud, and all of your files remain shared locally on your computer's drives. Once everything is configured, install the FanX Cloud app on your phone and pair it with the X3. Now you can remotely browse the files, photos, and videos stored on your computer directly from your phone. For me, this is probably one of the most useful features For many, this will probably be one of the most useful features because for those who work with large photo and video files, this is very useful. Instead of uploading everything to a traditional cloud service, you can keep the original files on your own storage and still access them remotely. You can also automatically back up photos and videos from your phone directly to your computer. So if your computer already has several terabytes of storage available, you are basically taking advantage of capacity you already own instead of paying every month for additional cloud storage. Another useful feature is instant file sharing. Inside FanX Cloud, you can select a file or photo, generate a sharing link, and send that link to someone else so they can access the selected content. You also get Remote Desktop, which allows you to remotely access and control your computer. X3 supports Wake on LAN, so a compatible computer can be powered up remotely instead of having to remain running all the time. There is also NFC one-tap quick backup, giving you another convenient option for starting a backup. FanX Cloud also includes an app center with applications covering media, utilities, backup, synchronization, and more. An app center upgrade is scheduled for August, expanding the selection for 17 apps to more than 50. There is also an AI-powered media experience coming to the platform. The AI album is designed to automatically organize your photos, making a large media library easier to browse, search, and manage. According to FanX's current rollout schedule, the full AI album feature is officially planned for release in September as part of a software update. And for more advanced users, Docker support is built in. This opens up considerably more possibilities because you can work with Docker images, containers, networking, and deploy additional services rather than being limited to the functionality included out of the box. Of course, if you are creating your own private cloud, security is extremely important. According to FanX, the X3 can operate without relying on its servers, while cloud transferred data uses AES 250 encryption. There is also an encrypted vault for sensitive files. Files placed inside the vault are designed to require password verification through FanX Cloud instead of being directly accessible through the computer's normal file explorer. And remember, your actual files are stored on your computer's local storage, not inside the X3 itself. Another important thing to know is that the X3 is not a completely static product. FanX says its firmware can be upgraded online, and the company plans to continue providing software updates as new functionality becomes available. That includes the App Center expansion in August, the official AI album release in September, and macOS NAS host support scheduled for October. The FanX Drive X3 has an official MSRP of $169, while the diskless version is planned to start at $109 for Kickstarter early bird backers. The company is positioning the diskless model as the best value option because you can simply use the storage already installed in your computer. I think the biggest appeal of the FanX Drive X3 is that it sits somewhere between traditional cloud storage and the dedicated NAS. So if you want to check it out, take a look at the Kickstarter's link in the description, where you can sign up for up to 35% off at launch. Thanks for watching, and until next time.